All right, so we're gonna do the unboxing on the Spypoint Flex Camera today. I've been using Spypoint. I think they're LTE. The smaller ones are about $100, I think. These are 160, I believe is what it was after shipping. Got this one through Bass Pro. They were sold out on the Spypoint. But like I said, I've been using the smaller Spypoints just as some sort of coverage on the property I have down there. They work really well. They only send pictures. This one is supposed to send video as well. So we're gonna box it here. We're gonna see what it needs. I'll do another video once we figure out what it needs. I believe it's gonna have to have 2 SD cards as well as a 8 batteries, AA batteries, I think. But we'll get it open, see what she needs. I just ordered, from my understanding, you can't use the conventional, it comes with a strap, I would say, but we'll get her open and see what she does. I just ordered some stuff. I like hanging them on the trees, so my understanding, the attachment point is in the rear, so it's a little bit different setup than the other one. So they've got these new antennas. From my understanding, this is a new type of antenna, probably a little bit better reception. Let's see what we got here. Here's the camera itself, and that's kind of what I was talking about. Most of the time, you could, I'm not sure what it's called, but we just screw it into a tree, screw it back into here. That way you can set it up on a tree and look. But like I said, the other ones had it on the bottom. So I just ordered a new one. We should have it tomorrow. We're just gonna open this bad boy up today, see what's about. All right, so. Yeah, I didn't stay on. I believe that just came off right there. Kind of helps protect the threads. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, there's a strap. Camera. Got the strap. Antenna. Just some packing material here. All right, so let's see what our directions are. All right, so we had to go get some stuff to get this thing finished up. Again, we're unboxing this Spypoint Flex Trail Camera. We got everything laid out here. Like I said, I went to the store, had to get some stuff, so we're gonna get her figured out here. So basically, I've already had the Spypoint app downloaded on my phone. Like I said, I've used the cameras before, so that's the first part of this. So we're gonna go ahead and bypass that, get everything together. Basically, this new antenna, it allows it, you don't have to count on any one carrier like AT&T or I don't know what the other one is, but whatever one's out in the area, it's gonna pick it up and it's gonna send it right to your phone. So we'll get this on here. So, get the batteries. So we'll get the battery case in here. See, usually it has, yeah, it's got the arrows right here on the front. Goes in this way. gets locked in there. Next step, we're going to put our memory card in there. Get out of here. All right, SD card is in place. We're going to power it on. Watch everything light up. Hold down the format. Calls for 5 seconds. You see you got the red light right there. It says hold down for 5 seconds. Once the SD card's formatted, the light will turn green. It's turned green, so we should be good to go. We're going to go ahead and hit a test. See if we get anything on the phone. That's it. Set up, we got the green light, there we go. You just took a photo. Ideally it'd be sent to the phone, to the app on the phone. I'll take a picture, put it in the video. That's it, that's how we got her set up. We've got 2 different ways to attach it. We got the strap here as well. I prefer these. Got a lot of little trees. I think either one, whichever you prefer, but I like these better. And most of the time you attach it underneath here, but these are in their back. So I got this adjustable, screws right into the tree, fence post, whatever you have. You can adjust it. So, but we'll get this out to the field and get it set up.